Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to your tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Rockstar Games account. So you just want to head over to rockstargames.com on your computer, on your browser. And once you first visit the website, you will see the cookies here. You can choose to accept or reject. I'm going to just choose to accept right there. Now, right now, you want to go ahead and click where it shows a little profile icon at the up right. So click on that, and so you will see the option to sign in. So since you don't have an account, you want to click on sign up, and once you have that, you want to know, go ahead and start with filling in your date of birth and stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and make up some stuff right here. Let's just choose January. Today is what, the 30th, and we're going to make up a year. Let's just choose something that is not so. Maybe we can choose, let's maybe choose 1989, or we can, just basically make whatever you want, guys, right? But in your case, you want to go ahead and ensure that you use the right thing, right? I'm just making up something here. Here, go ahead and click on read. Now for the email, you want to go ahead and fill in your email address and so forth. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just use my email address here, test one, create some password. You want to make up your nickname as well. So I'm going to just say Drew Tutorial as an example there. You ensure that you choose your card country as well, and you can choose if you want to receive promotional news. I don't want to really fill up my inbox with those emails, so I'm going to just leave it as is here. Now you will receive a verification code to your email, so you want to go ahead and check your email for any code that you will receive from Rockstar. You may need to check your updates email as well. As you can see, I get one here, so this is the code, and I'm going to just copy this code right here and head back over to the website and just paste that in. Click on submit, and so you will see that it will verify, and you can choose your visibility. I'm going to leave these as is, as you can see, and just click on continue. And right there, you can see that my account is now created. And that's it. So this is how easy it is, guys, to create a Rockstar Games account. I really hope you found this useful. As you can see, my account is created, drew tutorial, and yeah, that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.